The rate of evolution of AI is really crazy, and so is the requirement of skills that you need to develop for this landscape, at least of the present, that is 2025. The rapid evolution of AI requires mastery of cross functional, tool driven skills. In fact, we have identified 12 core competencies that would define the professional readiness for 2025. The skills span from prompting to automation to multimodality and to governance. Emphasis is on integration, autonomy, and continuous learning that will always remain. AI fluency is equivalent to a strategic advantage for individuals and enterprises. In fact, all future enterprises would be identified by their capability of dealing with AI skills. Now, if we talk of core technical skills, what is the prompt engineering? That means to craft precise inputs to get the desired LLM outputs, which is foundation of all AI interaction. Second is AI workflow automation that links apps and LLMs to automate CRM, marketing, and HR tasks. AI agents would be autonomous entities uh, executing multi-step tasks with reason and memory. Then retrieval and augmented generation. That means uh, actual context anchored responses via external data. Then multimodal AI with unified text, image, audio, video understanding for immersive applications. And finally, fine tuning and AI assistance domain specific custom models for enterprises and learning. What are the creative and applied skills? First is voice AI and avatars, where you get synthetic speech and personas for education and branding. AI tool stacking, combining Notion, Zapier, and ChatGPT for synergistic productivity. AI video content generation with Runaway Beat Pika for automated storytelling and training. And then SaaS development, low, no cost AI driven product building for startups and SMEs. And ultimately, integration creates digital ecosystem where contents, code, and automations emerge naturally. So what we need to do is to go for LLM management. That means to monitor model accuracy, bias, latency, and hallucination risks. And continuous learning is stay updated through AI news, ARXIVs, podcasts, and communities. At the same time, have future foresight for next 5 to 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Then AI native autonomous departments, ethical prompts, ops, and government and basically governed automation, and personalized AI companions and tool stacks. The takeaway: prompting is the new word, new coding, automation is the new strategy. Thank you very much.